Hindi kayo magjowa, wala kayong label, wala ring physical intimacy. Pero bakit parang sobrang lalim ng inyong connection? Ang tanong dyan, pwede bang mahalin ang isang tao at hindi kailangan romantic love? I'm a psychologist at pag-usapan natin to. Yung term platonic love, galing ito dun sa ancient Greek philosopher si Plato, di ba? Particularly dun sa work niya na ang pangalan ay Symposium. So originally, sabi ni Plato, meron daw kind of love that goes beyond physical desire. A love centered on the soul, on the mind, and shared truth. Fast forward, no? Itong platonic love is also known as a form of affectionate attachment. Ito yung deep emotional connection na nag-e-exist na walang romantic or sexual intent. So, sa mga researchers, no, pagdating sa attachment theory, isinusuportahan itong konsepto ng platonic love. Kasi, yung mga strong or emotionally safe connections, actually whether romantic or hindi, no, important ito sa well-being ng isang tao. So, platonic love, pinapalakas niya yung emotional regulation, yung pag-control ng emotions, yung iyong self-worth, and resilience. It's a love where you feel fully seen and safe, even without yung parang possession or expectation. So, signs na meron kang platonic love, no? Hindi na siya basta simpleng friendship eh. Pero if you feel deeply safe with someone, kahit walang romantic tension or intention, that's one indicator. Pangalawa, you show up for each other during hard times without expecting anything in return. At pangatlo, you see each other fully and still stay. So I'll end with this. Minsan yung love ay hindi tungkol sa pag-aangkin, di ba? Kung hindi sa pag-aalaga. Kahit wala kayong dapat patunayan. So if you've ever loved someone platonically, comment lang below, no? And please know na it's not the lesser love, no? It's love actually without an agenda. It's love without demand. And love like that, no? Importante siya. It's very sacred and it deserves to be honored.